Okay, so what we have here is a Dell N-series laptop that came to us with a broken power adapter and a broken power jack. So what we see with this is that it's the Dell new power adapters or power jacks. So we have this pin set like that, maybe the barrel connector inside there, but I've seen some Vostros that have those adapters on them. So what we're going to do is change it out with a jack that looks like that, and then we're going to go from there. So I was talking earlier about the difference in the jacks, and what we have here is a jack that has your standard Foxconn looking connections without the compression sides. What we have here is a jack from Vostro, and as you can tell, it has compression sides in it, and then a barrel connector inside like this. So when the piece of plastic breaks out, you have those pin formations in there, which is not standard with the ones before. So what you have is you put your adapter in to the jack, and the parts spread out like this and then hook back into it. These jacks do not have that, but these are more apt to failure. So what we're going to do is replace it out with this, because it uses the same connector, and hopefully it'll keep it from turning into this. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change everything out and then work on it from there. So now we got to take the system apart and go from that. Alright, so we can see that our power jack is on a power board. So what we're going to do is take and desolder this and put this one back on, this new one, and then go from there and see what happens. Most likely it's going to work perfectly fine, but this jack is pretty damaged, so we might have to rebuild a trace or two, but we'll do that and see what happens. Okay, so now we have our DC jack changed out, we have the power adapter plugged in, and we see that it's charging. So we know that the adapter works, we know that the jack soldering worked, and this is a fixed unit. So just because we have an atypical standard power jack like this, you know, with the barrel connector and the squeeze sides and all that, doesn't mean that we can't change it out and have that work with a different jack, but the same pin layout. So we're going to call this finished, and everything's good to go on it.